What's good, YouTube? This is Whiteboy503 coming at you with another PSP tutorial. Sorry for the fan noise in the background if you guys can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it is hot as hell in my room today, so decided to turn the fan on. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make how to put CXMB, basically, which lets you run custom CTF themes, which are basically custom firmware themes. And as you guys didn't know, I'm a Final Fantasy fanatic, fanboy, I guess. Found this pretty cool picture. It's got all the Final Fantasy characters in like a periodic table format. There's VV for all you fanboys who know who the hell that. For all the fanboys who know who the hell that is, which is one of the best characters in the Final Fantasy series. But that's besides the point. So, put a link in the description to this file right here. It's a CXMB, and you need to right click on it, extract to CXMB. And if you don't have an extraction program, you can always personal message me, and I will upload my personal setup file for the CXMB. Just putting that out there. Just send me a personal message if you guys don't have it, if you guys don't want to pay for it or whatever, because it's pretty dumb to have to pay for that kind of thing. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to open this up, and you'll have a configuration folder, or a configuration text, and then a PRX, which is a CXMB. So what you want to do is you want to come down here to your PSP, hook it up via the USB cable, like always, put it in USB mode, and you want to come down here and open it up. And what you want to do is you want to right click on the root of your memory stick, make a new folder, and name it CXMB right there. I'm not going to do that since you guys can see I already have one and I don't need to. So what you need to do is you need to open that CXMB folder and just basically drag and drop the CXMB or the PRX, which is that right there, and the config folder right into it. Once you're done with that, you can exit out of this, go back out of here, go into your PSP, and if you do not already, you need to make a folder in your PSP folder that says theme, all capital letters. This is what your themes are going to go in, your CXMB themes, like all these ones that I've got right here. Yeah. So you want to come back out here. What you want to do is, if you do not already, you need to make a SC plugins folder. And then what you need to do is you need to, if you haven't already, you need to make a VSH Text. And what you need to do is you need to add, find it real quick, the very top one, it needs to be ms0:/CXMB/CXMB.PRX /1. And if you're using a PSP Go, it will, only thing you gotta change is instead of MS0, put EF0, which is for the internal hard drive, the HDD. So yeah, as I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, this will work on all custom firmwares, I think past 620. Yeah, everything's past 620, and it will work on all PSP systems except for the Vita, because they have not made a custom firmware for it. I am still waiting. I know they'll make one soon, but we just gotta wait, because it takes a lot of time to make a little program like that. But so once you're done with that, just make sure you save it, you exit out, and you can come back here, go into your PSP folder, and then I'll put a link in the description to all the themes that I have, like all the ones that I use for the 6.60. Those are the ones I'll put in there. And if you personal message me, I can, or put a comment, maybe put a comment in the comment section. I'll try to find you guys some, or I'll send you guys some 6.20 and stuff like that. But really, if you're running anything besides 6.60, you should upgrade to 6.60. Either Pro B10, ME 1.8 is the newest one that came out for the ME, or God. It's a lot better. I mean, you get all the kind of things that they had with the 6.60 with the 6.60 official firmware, and it's still hacked. So I mean, there's not you get the comics thing if you want to buy comics on the PlayStation Store or whatever, but that's just my opinion. I think if you're running anything besides 6.60 custom firmware, you should upgrade to 6.60 custom firmware. That's just my opinion. So what you need to do is you need to exit out of this, come down and do your PSP, exit out of that, and come down to your theme. Click theme again, and then you see after you put all the ones that I'll give you in the description, you should just basically see a bunch of stuff like this. And I like this one. I mean, it's not very nice of a color. I don't really like the color, but it looks pretty cool. So we just apply that. Go over and say yes, and then it'll basically reboot the system. Just wait for it to load. A lot of the ones that I have a custom game boot and all that kind of crap. It's pretty cool. And see, I don't know if you can notice, if you can tell, but these are the icons are like slanted. I don't really know if you can tell that well with the through it, but yeah, you'll see once you put this in your PSP. That's basically it. That's all you got to do for CXMB. To put that on your PSP. It's really cool. I like it a lot. And I'm in the process of learning how to make CTFs, which is, if you guys don't know, there's a CXMB. Basically the themes. I'm in the process of learning how to do that. It is super hard. There's a lot of things you got to do, a lot of time and effort that you got to put into it. But I will definitely post an update, a review video of the CTF theme once I get it all done and things like that. I really haven't got a lot of time to do all that, but I want to do it, see how it'll come out and everything. So I hope you guys will like it when I get it, when I finish it all. So like always, rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll put an annotation up at the top of the screen, or up at the top of the video, just up here or whatever, to the last SE plugin video, and I'll put in the description the same thing. And go check out my other videos. Go check out my my other tutorials. I just posted a new video earlier in the week that was for it was an Android tutorial, which I'm gonna be doing more Android tutorials. I just have to kind of poke around and see which ones are kind of like worth posting, I guess. But the one I posted was how to put the NES emulator on it, and I know how to put all the other emulators, and I'll be doing videos for those. But for right now, I guess that would be the most popular one that everybody would want to get on and try to play or whatever. So yeah, rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace.